Ladies and gentlemen, the Smart Hashtag 6, our first premium fastback sedan. I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. It's nearly 5 meters of sleek sculptured presence. It's a change of perspective, not just for Smart, but for the entire segment. This car will be launched first in China. And we know Chinese customers want premium experience without compromises. We listened and we created it. For the Mercedes-Benz global design team, designing an attractive car is always the starting point. But true desirability begins with originality. And that is also deeply rooted in Smart's DNA. With the Hashtag 6, we wanted to design a car that is truly original and a trendsetter for the industry. Its combination of sportiness, comfort, and generous space sets a new benchmark for a modern fastback sedan. Personally, I am incredibly proud to be part of the team that created this distinctive model. And in designing the Hashtag 6, we were inspired by a shark. Not by its bite, but by its beauty. Sleek, fast, the way it moves effortlessly through water. We brought it through life through Smart's design philosophy. Love, pure, and unexpected. So how does that translate into the design of the car? Let's start with love. It's a commanding yet graceful road presence. And it's all about the beautiful shapes, of course. So notice the strong rear shoulder and the expressive Coke bottle shape. It's emotional, it's sensual, it's powerful. How about pure? Pure is represented in its flawless aerodynamic silhouette. So every curve reduces drag and every surface flows seamlessly into the next. Unexpected shows it through a bold character that delivers a thrill. And for the first time, animated displays are integrated both in front and rear, allowing the car to visually communicate with its environment. This gives the Hashtag 6 a sense of life and personality. Now, let's step inside and talk about the interior. Here, our goal was to design a generous space that feels both luxurious and intuitive. It follows, of course, the same design philosophy. So, love in the interior is demonstrated by the soft body-embracing shapes that the seats, the door panels, and the center console represent. We use the finest Nappa leather, carefully wrapped surfaces, and precisely executed seams. So every touch point in this car feels warm, soft, and premium. Pure in this interior is represented by the en blanc-shaped dashboard that's emphasizing the width of the cabin. Two 13-inch OLED displays are seamlessly integrated within a refined bezel. It's clear, coherent, calming. Technology is integrated, not dominant. And the unexpected adds intelligence and character. The intelligent UX system adapts to the user with a cabin atmosphere that changes through different digital environments. And yes, there is a digital shark avatar, playful and subtle, reflecting our original inspiration. Together with the seamless interior-exterior communication, the Hashtag 6 feels dynamic, intuitive, and unique. But of course, good design means nothing without practicality. And with a fastback, the fear might always be, It's beautiful, but somewhat impractical. But the hashtag 6 refuses this trade-off. We applied the classic smart wheels to the corner architecture, resulting in a best-in-class 86% space efficiency. And despite its dynamic sweeping roofline, it offers a generous headroom, while its sporty styling gives way to a large practical hatch and a 525-liter trunk room for strollers, suitcases, and everything in between. Now, with that kind of space, you'll want to go far, and you can. Ladies and gentlemen, the smart hashtag 6 is the perfect combination of sleek design, intelligent technology, and true practicality. It's the newest member of the smart family, and it proves again that smart no longer means small. It means smart for every journey, every lifestyle, and for every dream. Thank you.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.